This is what your problem with your ticket is.
Here's your problem.
Mr. President, let me finish. I'm gonna continue.
What we're saying,
poor people sign.
these are front around these promises.
Let me ask.
A harebrained scheme on the Republican side.
The Democrats are very good at demagoguery.
In the last couple of years, Paul, you would have ended the protections that people have in their lives.
You've been hearing about this crushing debt.
Our growing debt could cost us jobs and do serious damage to the economy.
It has gotten so out of hand, it sparked a crisis without precedent in my lifetime or yours.
We can't go on raising the debt and passing it on to future generations.
So that's a very serious problem. And going over the cliff is an even more serious problem.
Legislation needs to be passed now. Partisan politics could push America over a fiscal cliff.
We should be figuring this out.
All of this antics and grandstanding is just simply not working.
Polls show overwhelmingly that voters want the two sides to find compromise.
If everybody is on the same page, wants the same thing, Republicans and Democrats, we should figure a way to get together and make it happen.
And you can't do it bickering and being angry at one another.
I think there is room for compromise.
Do it in a balanced and fair way with everything on the table.